Alright, it's 1 o'clock. What time was our call out? 5? I think it was 5. Yeah. I wonder if she's nervous. Yeah. Thought we got before we even made it in. What?
It tries me to say like a bat or a paw on it.
Yeah.
Are we following this way all the way up?
No, we'll follow it to the staircase. We'll go back up.
What's that?
I don't see it. Oh. There's a little fish. Oh, so.
Little algae eater.
Yeah.
Oh, hey baby. Oh, I wonder if that's blind on him.
Yeah. Make his eyes pop.
Where's she standing there looking at him?
He probably ain't looked at anything in his whole life. Just, I mean, it doesn't matter. Your feet are wet. Any what? Yeah, every crawl we did. What do you mean? Look how muddy they are.
No, I know, but on the way out.
Oh, no, not really.